안녕하세요 여러분. Hi guys. Welcome to learn Korean with Clara 쌤. 한국어 같이 배워요. In this lesson, we learn how to say 저는 이에요, 예요. In this sentence, I'll talk about three important points. First, let's see 저는. It translates into English as I. It's a polite form, so you use it either towards older people or someone you don't know well yet, or if it's someone higher up socially than you, etc. Now let's see two examples here. The first one is 저는 다니엘이에요. It means my name is Daniel. And the second is 저는 미국 사람이에요. That is to say, I am American. In both cases, the sentences start with the subject 저는, that is, I. The second point to remember is 는. It should first be remembered that Korean is a language which expresses the function of words through particles or suffixes. So it is necessary to have a good grasp of both when speaking or writing Korean. For example, the role of particles after noun is crucial because depending on them, the characteristic of the noun is defined. In other words, whether it is a subject or an object or a place, etc. in a sentence. Among the particles, today we'll see 은 or 는. 은는 is a topic marking particle. The role of 은는 is varied in the sentences. It is used when you're talking about general facts, comparing, or making a contrast, and also introducing yourself, as you could see in the previous example I've just talked about. But why are there two of it, 은 or 는? Depending on the syllable that comes just ahead, we use one of the two. 은 comes with a word that ends in a consonant, and 는 comes with a word that ends in a vowel. For example, for 저는, the fact that 는 comes after 저 is because this word ends with a vowel 어. That's why the particle 는 is used after 저. Another important point is that between 저 and 는 there is no space. Let's see more examples. Here I will show you 4 words. After each word, which topic marking particle should be placed? After the first word, 이름, is it 은 or 는 coming? To know which one, you must first see which syllable the word ends with. For 이름, it ends with a consonant 미음, as you see here, so it's the particle 은 that comes behind, so 이름은. For 가수, we see the vowel 우, then it is 는, 가수는. For 학생, the word ends with a consonant 이응, so it is 은, 학생은. The last one for 그녀, it ends with the vowel 여, so it's 는, 그녀는. The last point to learn is 이에요 or 예요. 이에요, 예요 come from the verb 이다, equivalent to the verb to be in English. As in the case of the topic marking particle, depending on the ending of the syllable of the preceding word, we put 이에요 or 예요 after the word. If the word ends in a consonant, then ㅡ이에요 comes. And if it's a vowel, in this case, 예요 comes behind. Here let's see two examples. The first is 대학생. It ends with a consonant 이응, so it's ㅡ이에요 that comes behind. 대학생이에요. For the second example, 아이유. It ends with a vowel U, so 예요 comes behind. 아이유, 예요. As I explained to you previously, for 은 and 는, here it's the same. Between the word and 이에요 or 예요, there is no space. So between the word 대학생 and 이에요, or between the word 아이유 and 예요, we do not put space. Now let's recap with these three examples everything we have learned. The first sentence, BTS is a group singers. Then we apply the formula of N1 is N2. That is to say, N1, 은 or 는, N2, 이에요 or 예요. First, for 방탄소년단, is it 은 or 는? This word ends with the consonant 니은, so it is 은. 방탄소년단은. As for 가수, is it 이에요 or 예요? It ends with the vowel 우, so it is 예요. 가수예요. So the correct sentence is 방탄소년단은 가수예요. The second sentence, you want to say Sophie is a cook in Korean. For Sophie, is it 은 or 는? This word ends with a vowel 이. So it is 는. 소피는. As for 요리사, is it 이에요 or 예요? It ends with a vowel 아. So it is 예요. 요리사 예요. The correct sentence is 소피는 요리사예요. The last sentence means he is Thai. For 그, is it 은 or 는? This word ends with a vowel 으. So it is 는. 그는. As for 태국 사람, is it 이에요 or 예요? It ends with a consonant 미음, so it is 이에요. 태국 사람이에요. The correct sentence is 그는 태국 사람이에요. A little tip. Here, you see exactly the same sentences, but depending on the intonation used by the speaker, one of them can become a question. The first sentence, I say, 방탄소년단은 가수예요. It's a declarative sentence. BTS is a group singers. However, if I say 방탄소년단은 가수예요, in this case, I'm asking the question, is BTS a group singers? So this sentence becomes a question. As seen here, if you want to ask questions in Korean, just turn up the intonation at the end, starting from a declarative sentence as you have just seen. Here is a little exercise for you. Try to find the right answers by applying what you have learned today. The answers are posted in the video's comment down below. The first question is, choose which particle 은 or 는 after the words. And the second question is, which of these sentences is correct? Well, that's all for today. In this lesson, With just one sentence, we've learned several important grammars. Hope you found this video interesting and useful. I'll be back to see you with another video soon. Thank you for watching and good work everyone. See you next time. 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕.